Hello, hello, and welcome. I'm Sarahlynn. I'm a movement and meditation guide in Western Washington in the United States. Today, I'm going to take us through a brief mindfulness body scan. So I invite you to come to sit on the edge of something kind of firm, dining chair, office chair. I am on the edge of my meditation cushion, but find something that will allow you to really find a nice erect posture. I've got a little 1, 3, 5-minute timer here as well. So as you start to gather your seat, I'd like you to bring awareness for a moment just down to where your seat or your sits bones are connected to the edge of your chair or your prop or whatever you're sitting on. And imagine you're kind of rooting or grounding down through those sits bones to begin to build a little bit of length. And then notice where your knees are in relation to your hip joints. And if you are up on a higher prop like a seat, slide your feet away from you enough so that your knees are just a little lower than your hips. If you're down on the floor or on a meditation cushion like me, and those knees are up really high, go ahead and grab another cushion or pillow or rolled up blanket or something to tuck under there so you can get enough height to your pelvis that your knees can waterfall a little lower than your hips. So the idea is we want to have a long but neutral spine. So we still have that little bit of a curve in the lumbar spine. The ribs are settled right over the hips and the center of the head is settled right over the center of the pelvis. I'd invite you to let your hands rest wherever is comfortable. Invite a little more softness into your shoulders. Maybe crack a little smile to your face. And then find a place to bring your gaze. It's maybe a few feet in front of you, on the floor, or on another surface. Or if it's comfortable, go ahead and just allow your eyes to fully float closed. And first, as you begin to let go of visual stimuli, just noticing what else you can sense, hear, smell, feel in your space around you. And then inviting your awareness fully into yourself, into your body, beginning to notice what you can sense in the confines of your own tissues. No judgment, just observation. And then we'll begin to cultivate this sense of gentle observation without judgment as we scan through the entire body, really fully allowing our focus to be fully present with what arises in each body area. So go ahead and let your awareness travel all the way down to your feet and take a moment to see if you can let other thoughts go and allow your mind's eye to fully focus on what is happening in your feet today. What can you sense in your feet? Scanning up to your ankles, checking in with sensations in your ankles today. Coming up to your lower legs, noticing sensations in your calves, shins. Letting awareness draw up to your knees, checking in with your knees today. What sensations do you notice? What feelings come up for you here? Coming up to the fronts of the thighs, backs of the thighs. Allowing full awareness to sit with hips, pelvis, glutes for a moment. What do you notice in your hips, in your low belly, in your pelvis? What sensations arise for you here? What words or thoughts appear? Scanning up to the low back, very lowest part of the spine and tailbone. Gentle observation without judgment. Traveling up through the spine, noticing sensations in your mid-back, in your upper back, and spreading your awareness out to the shoulders, noticing sensations in and around shoulder blades, fronts of the shoulders, very top of the arm, slow scanning your way down to the upper arms, noticing. Allowing awareness to sit fully with your elbows. With your forearms. Noticing sensations at the wrists. In your hands. And in your fingers. Bringing gentle awareness back up to your neck. What is talking to you in this body area today? What do you sense? What do you feel? What thoughts or feelings come up for you here? Scanning up into the head, coming to the back of the head, the top of the head, the forehead, and face. Bringing a soft smile to the face. Taking a deep, intentional inhale through the nose and a slow, easy, complete exhale through the nose or mouth. Take another deep, expansive in-breath through the nose. Open, easy exhale, nose or mouth. One more full, intentional inhale and release. Allowing your mind's eye to sit for a moment just with that idea of your breath, just with the sense of your breath coming and going. I would invite you to fully tune in to that sense of your breath for 1 minute of quiet stillness. As distractions come up, inviting your thoughts, inviting your awareness back to the sense of your breath. Gently expanding your awareness broader than the sense of your breath back into the rest of your body. Taking another intentional, full, expansive in-breath through the nose. Open, easy exhale, nose or mouth. Deep breath in. Easy breath out. And one more. Bringing your eyes back to fully open. Briefly scanning through your space, taking in the visual sense of the space that you're in again. Bringing your hands to your thighs and just gently rubbing the hands on the thighs for a moment, building a little warmth. Letting those palms gently rest together at heart center, feeling the weight of one palm and the other as they gently rest together. And then setting the intention for any feeling or thought or just something unidentifiable that you'd like to take away from this practice and out into the rest of your day.